Hello, welcome to a new vlog. So the last time I actually did a vlog was 5 years ago, and it was about me settling into Spain, I believe, because I have been here 7 years now, and a lot has changed since then. I am in fact pregnant with my first baby, and it's a girl, and she's called Liliana. In this video, I recorded it a couple of weeks ago, so here I was 26 weeks pregnant, and now doing the audio I'm 28 weeks, so that is the first week of the first trimester. This vlog is just a simple Friday reset. It's not always the same, but it's this basically, more or less. And in the upcoming videos I want to record different types of like get ready with me or nesting and doing up the house and stuff like that, just so that Liliana can look back and see her parents when they were young, and so that my family can see her, the family that don't live in Spain with us, and etc, etc. So as you just saw, I watered the veggies whilst journaling and drinking my tea. I water the veggies every morning because it's just so hot at the moment. We're coming into summer, and before actually recording I fed the puppies because they don't let me do anything else before feeding them. Then I had a shower. It's currently 32 degrees Celsius, more or less. That's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. So I chose a very light and airy dress today to do all the cleaning and all the reset that I needed to do that day. I just realised I look very serious in all these clips, and it's not because I'm moody, it's just I was really tired that day. After that, I just did my curly hair routine, which if anyone is interested I can show in another video, and just picked out some earrings that I got from a market. So brushing teeth is quite self-explanatory, but I wanted to comment on this portion of the video because I use a vitamin C serum that has helped me quite a lot with my spots on my face, because I get hormonal spots on my chin and my forehead, and I will add the link down below in the description. It's from Amazon. And also here I just pluck my eyebrows, and then I use a natural zinc oxide sun cream for, well, not just my face but my whole body, because I want to be as natural as possible with my sensitive skin. By this time I was starving, so I quickly made some crumpets with Marmite to eat whilst making a smoothie which consisted of papaya, mango, pineapple, frozen raspberries and orange juice. Lately I've been really craving fresh fruit and vegetables, tomatoes, and really craving cucumber lately. So I decided to have a smoothie, and the remaining fruit I froze in a freezer bag. And after that I just saw that the pineapple was on its way out, so I decided to dehydrate some slices with some apple slices in the dehydrator. For this type of food, you have to cook it at around 60 degrees Celsius for 5 hours, give or take. If it's meat, and also it depends on the type of thickness, you have to cook it for a different time. Then it was time to clean the house before losing momentum, which again is quite self-explanatory. After a much needed rest and lunch, I made some white chocolate chip and cranberry cookies for Alberto, and along with some coconut macarons or macaroons, however you want to say it, which turned out amazing, if I do say so myself, especially after the first time ever making them. So it's about 7:15 and PT should be home soon. So excited. I hate that he works away during the week. I'm so bored here on my own. Even though I've got stuff to do, it's boring being on my own. So yeah, I'm very excited to see him. I've got him a beer prepped already, and the pineapple is almost dried. It's got about 25 minutes left. Tonight I'll be showing you dinner. I'm going to be making like sticky sweet and sour or sweet and spicy cauliflower And that's pretty much it. Right, so what I've done is I've coated the cauliflower in egg, and I put it in with breadcrumbs and flour. Now I'm going to chuck it in the oven for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and then I'll do the sauce. This sauce consisted of ginger and garlic finely chopped, about a cup of honey, around a tablespoon of soy sauce, a dash of vinegar, chili flakes and some corn flour. The corn flour is just there to thicken up the sauce. Once the sauce had thickened, I coated the cauliflower and made some tomato and mozzarella salad to go with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!